Here's the new Nissan key fob, and replacing the battery is relatively simple. You take the physical key out by pulling this lever and sliding that out. You probably figured that out. It's pretty easy. So now we got that out of the way. Now you will need a tool to do this. Now it says to use a flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, but you can probably use tweezers about the same size. And so what you do is you look at it, and right in here, you'll notice that there is a little arrow pointing right there. There's another arrow pointing right there, and they're pointing out the little place for the screwdriver to go into. So I'm going to put it right there so you can see what I'm talking about. You want to make sure you don't break your key fob, so you know right where to put the screwdriver. You put it in there, and then you twist it. So you twist it up, put it in this side right here, twist it. Now, once you've got it started, it'll look like this. And you can just kind of pry it up and just go down the line here on each side, pull up on it until you have that. Just kind of neat looking at this circuit board. Do not touch, it says. So definitely don't want to touch it, but it is cool to look at. But the battery is on this side. And so basically you use the same tool, whether you use your tweezers or the flathead screwdriver, and you can just kind of lift up. It doesn't take much energy to lift it up here. And it is the 2032 CR2032. This battery is made in Japan. That's nice. I prefer to use a non-Chinese battery myself. We had to make sure we have the correct orientation here. All right, so you want to try not to have fingerprints. There we go. On there as little as possible. This is a little bit spring-loaded, so you want to put it in this way first, and then pop this side down. And the letters, the words and numbers and everything are down. Now you've replaced the battery. Now we just take and line this up like so. And without pressing the buttons on the key fob, just make sure you have it lined up here. And hold it here on the edge. Kind of snap it back in place. Now you want to go around and make sure that you have it completely flat and flush all the way around, and that is your finishing point. Of course, you want to don't forget your physical key here, and then you're all done.